This week in the Frame Shop, we created this timeline wall for First Community Credit Union in Houston, Texas. The wall is 45 feet long and 12 feet high. The first part of this project was to create a more interesting background than just a painted wall. So we created this gradient of light to dark gray. We custom printed it on Type 2 vinyl wallpaper, shipped it to Houston, and the general contractor installed it for us. The red timeline contains important dates in the credit union's history. The red matches the color in their logo, and this is printed on 1/2-inch PVC. The milestone plaques and the vertical decade markers are created on brushed aluminum. They are float mounted off the wall so that you get a nice shadow. So let's take a closer look. We are here at Tower 2 at the end of our timeline. We have some additional space to expand here and around the corner. Now, I think this project is an excellent example of how we can use signage as art. I think Artifix has an advantage over a normal sign shop because our artistic and design abilities allow us to create something that's truly unique to your business and your project. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, follow us on YouTube, head over to our website and check out our blog and our lookbooks at artifixart.com. Until next time, I'll see you in the Frame Shop.